lounge along the strip. And as you see along the coastline here, you kind of enjoy. So if you want to take a dip, I guess you can take a dip in the ocean. But what I'm pretty much doing is just looking at the view and enjoying the ocean along. And I'll send you a little bit more of the breeze and the ocean along the coastline here in the next vlog. This is just to let you know that I arrived safely. It's bright and sunny in woo! And my feet got some down of water. It is what it is. I'm here on the beach. And that's basically right now. We're going to leave here and probably head into the town. And I'm hoping to see more of Cape Coast. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless.